Hi, it's Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm talking you through the brand new Mintay Papers booklets that have come out. The first 3 books, Flora, Frame and Junk, were released with the previous collection, and then the Flora Book 2, the Tag Book and the Wing Book and the Travel Book have been released with the latest collection. So I thought you might like to have a look through and see what these books are all about. These are specifically for fussy cutting, and they've got it written here on the back. The precise cutting of decorative elements directly from paper in order to obtain many interesting paper embellies. Cutting out of paper is a basic skill in papercraft. Don't be afraid to cut out. This relaxing activity will allow you to gather a lot of fantastic elements for layering techniques and creating dimensional effect in your paper creations. You can cut with a border of 2 to 3 millimeters from the design or without. You can try to do it very precisely, but it's not necessary. The main thing is to find a moment of peace and the right scissors with a thin, precise tip. Happy cutting. So this is the Flora Book. It's a 6x8 paper pad. The thickness of the paper is 240 GSM. The paper pad contains 24 double-sided sheets, 4 copies of 6 designs. The paper is acid-free. So let's have a look. So the back of the cover is a nice aqua, and then you've got your shabby chic pastel flowers. So you can see they're in the shabby chic colours. Then you move to the vintage muted colours. So lots of your creams, golden tones. Then you've got colourful juicy colours, which are very bright and colourful. And then you have lovely and versatile add-ons. So here you've got little sticks and berries and those sorts of things that you can add into your floral clusters. You've got leaves number 1, which are very vibrant green leaves. Then you've got leaves number 2, which are the more soft muted colours. So that's your 6 designs in the paper pad, and then they repeat those designs 4 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it starts again. So you've got lots and lots of copies of each design, so you don't need to worry that you're going to run out of any flower that you like or any leaf that you really like. Lots and lots of opportunity for fussy cutting there. So that's the Flora Book. That was the first Flora Book that was released. Let's now take a look at the Frame Book. Again, this is 24 sheets, 4 of each of the 6 designs. So when you open the Frame Book, you have white shabby chic frames on the first page. Then you've got shabby chic 2, which has pastel frames. Then you've got shabby chic 3, which has got some oval designs and a lot of filigrees. Then you're going into your vintage rustic designs, which are very dark brown designs. You've got vintage rustic 2 and vintage rustic 3. Now on the backs of those papers, you've actually got changing papers at the back. So you've got a bit of variety there. And then once you've gotten through that set, you're up to your second copy of each design. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this paper pad, you're getting 3 copies of the shabby chic frames, and you're getting 3 copies of the vintage rustic frames. And these are perfect for framing photographs or just using as embellishments in your layouts and on your cards. Let's move on now to the Junk Book. Again, a 6x8 paper pad, 240 GSM. The first page of the junk book is tickets and paper pieces. So you've got your little tickets. The second page is clocks. The third page is typewriter letters. The fourth one is metal findings. And then you've got tags number 1 and tags number 2. So this is a very mixed media scrapbooking paper pad or steampunk sort of design where you need a lot of bits and pieces, junk journaling, that sort of thing. So let's have a look at that again. We've got tickets, clock faces, typewriter letters, metal findings, tags 1 and tags 2. And again, you've got a variety of different backgrounds there. It looks like you've got 2 or 3 different designs there. So that's the junk book. Now let's move on to Flora Book 2, and let's have a look at how it's different from Flora Book 1. So in this one you've got pastel flowers firstly, and they're very pretty. And then you've got another page of pastels. Okay, so you've got pastel 1 and pastel 2. Then you have mixed tones 1, which are all red, purpley flowers, and you've got mixed tones 2, which is your blue and your purple. Then you've got Leaves and Co 1, and then Leaves and Co 2 in more softer colours, and then you're back to your pastels. So it is quite different from the first Flora book, as you can see. When looking at them together, you are getting very different pictures there. Even the leaves are quite different. So that's that book there. So this is, I mean, there's so much fussy cutting here. I don't think I'll ever run out. I don't think I'll ever run out of fussy cutting. Now this one is the tag book. Let's have a look. We've got pastel tags 1, pastel tags 2. Got a good variety of sizes. This is colourful tags 1 and colourful tags 2. Then we have neutral tags 1 and neutral tags 2. Pastel, back to pastel. Okay, so we've got 2 pastels, 2 colourfuls, 2 neutrals, and that's it. So 6 designs there. You've got a variety of backgrounds as well, which is nice. I like the variety of the backgrounds. I'm going to leave the wing one for last because that's one of my favourites. Let's have a look at this. This is the travel book. Okay, so first of all we've got transport. Buses, boats, cars, planes. And then we have architecture. There's the Sydney Opera House, the Eiffel Tower, the Big Ben, Statue of Liberty, pyramids, lots of different types of architecture there, Leaning Tower. Then we have tickets and passports, lots of colours. Then we have luggage. Then we have accessories. And then we have stamps. So that is our 6 designs: transport, architecture, tickets and passports, luggage and accessories. And the back of those pages, there's a bit of a variety there in colours and textures. So that's the travel book. Great for those people that really like to scrap their travel photos. And lastly, the wing book. this is probably the most exciting one for me. It's got lots of beautiful birds. Birds number 1 and birds number 2. Look at that pink flamingo. And an eagle. Now this is my favorite. Butterflies 1 and butterflies 2. So these are larger and these are smaller. Moths and dragonflies, very neutral colours. Then we have insects, bees, beetles, cicadas, and then we're back to our starting point. So we have birds 1, birds 2, butterflies 1, butterflies 2, moths and dragonflies, insects. And if you look on the back, there's a variety of wood grain papers in this one. So that is the brand new collection of Mintay fussy cutting paper pads. I know that you are going to be very keen to get your hands on these paper pads. They're going to be a great addition to your Mintay collection, and they will go with just about all of the Mintay paper ranges. Stay tuned for more of the brand new Mintay collections coming up on my channel. Make sure you subscribe and have a lovely crafty day.